Students, hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Identity English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English literature class for class 2 students. Our today's topic, poem My New Rabbit, CW. So, let's see our today's topic, my dear students. Class 2. Subject English Literature, topic poem My New Rabbit CW, term Homeoly, lecture 7, SW will be 7. Teacher Ariful Islam, and this is my mobile number and today's date. So dear students, now open your book, open your buzzword book and go to, this is your buzzword book, New Success with Buzzword Communicative English for Schools, main course book 2, and go to, this is the page number, go to page number 22, My New Rabbit. So let's read the poem, My New Rabbit. The writer of this poem is Elizabeth Gould. So we will learn only 10 lines of this poem. We brought him home. I was so pleased. We made a rabbit hutch. I gave him oats, I talked to him. I love him very much. Now when I talk to Rover Dog, he answers me bow wow. And when I talk to Kitty Cat, she purrs and says meow. But Bunny never says a word, just twinkles with his nose. So this is a poem. So let's write the poem. How we will write the poem in the exam. So first you have to write the title of the poem. What is the title of the poem? Title of the poem is My, M will be capital, New Rabbit, RABBIT. This is the title of the poem. So who is the writer of the poem? Please write the writer's name after the title. Elizabeth Gould, Gould. So this is the writer of the poem, Elizabeth Gould. My New Rabbit title, M will be capital, N will be capital, R will be capital. My New Rabbit, Elizabeth Gould. So let's write the poem, start writing the poem. We brought him home. You know, the first letter of the sentence starts with a capital letter. So we brought, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, we brought him home. We brought him home, comma, I was so pleased. I was so pleased. We brought him home. I was so pleased. Full stop. Then again, we, W will be capital. We made a rabbit hutch. RABBIT, hutch, HUTCS. Again, there is a comma. Next line, I gave him oats, I talked to him. Next line, I give him oats, O-A-T-S, comma, remember, I always will be capital, single I always will be capital. I gave him oats, I talked to him. I talk to him. Again, comma, I love him very much. Again, I, single I, always will be capital, and the first letter of a sentence will be capital. I love him very much. This is the first pair, 4 lines. Now, when I talk to Rover Dog, Now N will be capital. Now when I talk to a rover dog, the rover is the name of a dog, so R will be capital. Rover dog, comma, he answers me bow wow. So H will be capital. He answers me bow wow, B-O-W, and wow, W-O-W, quotation, exclamatory sign, quotation close. So he answers me bow wow. And when I talk to kitty cat, and when I talk to kitty cat, kitty is the name of a cat, so this will be capital. Kitty cat, comma, she purrs and says, she, S will be capital, P-U-R-R-S, she purrs and, no sign here, she purrs and says meow, 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 okay, and quotation close. Next ones, but Bunny never says a word. Bunny is the name, so B will be capital. Bunny never says a word. Says a word, comma. Next one is just twinkles with his nose. J-A-U-S-T T-W-I-N-K-L-E-S, just twinkles with his nose. With his nose, comma. So this is a poem, my dear students. This is a poem. Just let's read the poem again. So 10 lines. We will learn only 10 lines of this poem. So first you have to write the title of the poem. My New Rabbit. M will be capital, N will be capital, R will be capital. Then you have to write the poet's name, Elizabeth Gould. As you can see, the first letter of a sentence always will be in capital letter. Okay. So we brought him home, comma, I was so pleased, comma, we made a rabbit house, comma, I give him oats, comma, I talk to him, I love him very much, full stop. Now when I talk to Rover dog, Rover is the name of a dog, so R will be capital, comma, he answers me bow wow, quotation starts, first letter of a sentence always will be in capital letter. And when I talk to kitty cat, K will be capital. Kitty is the name of a cat. She purrs and says meow, but Bunny never says a word, comma, just twinkles with his nose. Okay, dear students, so your SW will be your SW7. SW will be 7. Submit on Saturday. Poem My New Rabbit. Ten lines of the poem. So your SW7 will be SW7 poem My New Rabbit, 10 lines. So that's all for today, dear students. Do your assign SW at home and submit on Saturday. So thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home, avoid with parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.